Hi guys, you're welcome to tutorial space with Ola. And in this tutorial, we'll be dealing with the convert entities tool, which can be located up here. So far we have spoken about how to primarily make our sketches by selecting a plane to sketch upon and using any of these tools that we have here. But this time we'll be dealing with how to create sketches without the necessity of directly drawing anything, but rather with the use of existing sketches and references. So to do this, we would have to use our convert entities tool, and for the purpose of clarity, just as the name of the tool is, convert entities, we use it to convert existing sketches, or maybe edges, or maybe faces, into active sketches. Alright, so to demonstrate this, remember we have established so far that we need a plane to create our sketches. So I'll go ahead to create some extra planes, and don't worry, a tutorial covering this will be included in this playlist. So now we have these parts in our workspace. I've created this solid, I created these sketches on top plane, I've included this plane, and then this plane which is inclined. Okay, so I do the normal by selecting the plane to sketch on, and I say sketch, and then I go over to my convert entities tool. Now you notice that I haven't picked a common tool to sketch with. So what I do is I'll just rotate this to look for the sketch I want to convert, and then I click on this, right, and I say check. Now what do you notice? You notice that it's replicated this sketch to this active plane. Now this tool isn't a copy tool, but it serves like a project and then convert tool. And I'll do this again, go over to my convert entities and click on this line, and then I say check. Now you notice again it's projected it upwards and then created the sketch. So what happens if I choose to select an edge instead of a sketch? So I choose to select my convert entities and click on this edge, click on this edge, and click on this edge. Check. Now you notice that it also projected these edges upward and then created the sketch. Alright, what about in the case of selecting a face? And so I select on this entire face, but before I do that, I'll highlight all this and delete, select this face, click on convert entities, and what do you notice? It has projected that face up to this point. Click on convert entities again, select this line, and notice that it projects this upward also. Okay, so one more trial. This time around, I will select this inclined plane and make it my active sketch. Alright. Now remember that the plane is not limited to these four corners here, but it's actually onto infinity. So if you do not know about that, you can check the previous video on creating sketches, and then you discover that there. Alright, so I go over to the convert entities, and then I click on this circle again and say convert. And what do you notice? It looks somewhat like an ellipse, because that's the way it's going to be seen when you look at this plane perpendicularly. So if I press Ctrl 8, you notice that that circle has this shape when you view it from this plane. So it means when this plane is extended, which it can, and you look at it from this level, from the view of the plane, this circle is projected towards it, and then with the projection, this is the shape that we receive. Okay, so I go back to convert entities again, select on this also, say check. You notice quite similar. I go over to convert entities, I click on this line and say check, it's quite similar. I come over here and I click on this face, or rather I'll click on this and select on these edges. Okay, and then I say check. Now you notice what we have here. I kind of missed a line, but you get the point. So what it does is it projects your sketches or faces or edges which are selected perpendicularly to the active plane, and then creates or converts the projection into sketches like this. It's very simple. Alright, I hope you've understood this too, and this is where we end with it too. Please remember to drop your comments in the comment section, subscribe, and hit the like button with the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next tutorial where we will deal with the intersection curve too.